What's going on, good people? Chris New in Real Estate here. Great news. Listen, I wanted to give you guys an update on my home buying seminar, right? So I did my first time home buyer seminar, right? I was super nervous. Oh my gosh. I had my braids down here, whatever. Sometimes the braid was going in my eye like this. Oh, this was crazy. Right? So I'm in my office. I have my mortgage broker that I work with FM Loans, Justin Blonde. He's great, right? So him and I, we are there, and I'm gonna give you guys play for play what happened. So I get together and it's like, all right, cool. We're gonna do this. We're gonna make this a 3-day event, right? Let me not say 3-day event. We're gonna do this event for 3 days, all right? So it was Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, or Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, something like that. The 10th, 12th, and the 13th. So Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, right? So I'm sending out emails. No, I'm lying. I'm sending out. I'm on Facebook. I'm on Facebook Marketplace. I'm on IG, Snapchat, Eventbrite, everything. All 3 events sell out, and I'm gonna say sell out because the tickets were free, but I had to know how many people are gonna come. So that's what paused. That's how the Eventbrite thing happened. I put it on my website. So the way I did it was I had everybody go to my website to click the Eventbrite link to go to Eventbrite to sign up, whatever. Dope. It was amazing. Good sellout. I mean, good turnout, right? It wasn't the best. The first day, I think 13 people signed up. The second day, 10 people signed up. The next day, 8 people signed up, right? So, daytime, not daytime. Oh my gosh, this was in the evening. I think I started at 6 o'clock. All right, so now it's showtime. I'm here. My lovely wife, she's here. She's helping me put everything together. She's controlling the Zoom because I did it in person and in Zoom. So the people who couldn't make it in person, they're on Zoom as well. And I am nervous. What? Crazy nervous. Now the reason why I'm nervous is not because I don't know the information. It's not because I'm afraid to talk in front of people, because I do this on YouTube, podcast. I think I told you guys before I do music, so I performed in front of. So I don't have stage fright. I'm very comfortable talking to in front of groups of people, super comfortable. When I was younger, we used to have something called like roasting hour or something like that. So like it would be a group of us, and every day at 5 to 5:30. Every day from 5 to 5:30, we were rapping a cipher, and then from 5:30 to 6, it was roasting time. So that kind of like took all of the jitterbugs away. Cool. So now, the reason I was nervous is because I didn't want to mess up. I'm so much of a perfectionist. I didn't want to mess up. And I was so nervous that I started messing up, right? So it was kind of counterintuitive or counterproductive, whatever you want to say. But it wasn't crazy. Like, I recorded it. I'm going to put it on my Instagram from time to time, little snippets here and there, even the bloopers. And I say bloopers like, sometimes I like stutter, like I stutter over my words. It was the same thing, and I'm reading my booklet, right? Woo! And I'll tell you guys what it looked. I'll tell you guys where to get everything towards the end. So it was dope, We had a few people here. Not all 13 people showed up, half was here, half was online, which is cool. We had pizza, we had drinks with soda, right? We're in my office. My office is huge, and my conference room is good. And we're there, and it made me gain so much confidence as far as I'm on the right track, because, the feedback I got from it. So many people hit me up on Facebook, Instagram, email, text message. Hey, Chris, this was amazing. Thank you so much. It made me feel confident when it's time for me to buy, and so on and so forth. I didn't look at it as a lead generating opportunity, right? I looked at it as a cheat code to help people, especially of my community, to help people that look and talk like me, to get to them, get them to the next level using real estate. If I don't know anything else, I know real estate, right? So my mission statement, my goal is, the belief is to help others create a legacy to be proud of for generations through real estate. That's my mission statement. So I plan on accomplishing that at all costs. You understand? That's that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm here for. So I didn't care if I didn't get any leads. Will I get leads from this? That's what I thought. Yes. Will I make money from this? Yes, eventually. Whether it's the people there, their friends, their family, they'll tell somebody, whatever. But in the immediate, I'm not sitting there thinking, okay, we're having this on Monday. Let me get them out on Friday to start seeing condos and stuff like that. That wasn't my mindset. My mindset is really how to help people, because some people don't really understand. Yes, it's a tricky process. It's a lot going into it. It's a whole lot going into it. However, it's not as tricky as you would think, right? You still need guidance. You still should use an agent, but it's not as tricky as you would think. There's also ways to go around certain things. We discussed, let me give you guys the rundown of exactly what we discussed, right? So my table of contents, right? So we discussed choosing an agent. We discussed me, first, to get that out of the way. You know who am I? Here's my picture. Wait, that's not, look. All right, sorry, right? A little bit about me, a little bit about my background and things like that. But we discussed choosing an agent, and I was transparent there. Not all agents are the same. You should interview multiple agents to see, to know if they're a good fit for you and you're a good fit for them. Like you gotta feel that out. Renting versus buying. The pros and cons of both. Renting isn't for everybody. Buying isn't for everybody. It depends on the situations. Very transparent in there. Current sales market. Depending on when you guys see this video, it'll probably be a different sales market. However, I actually broke down the 3 different kinds of sales market that there are. Some people only know buyers and sellers market. There's actually a third one. Condos versus co-ops. Attractive offers, creative financing. Like, sometimes it really just might not be pre-approval, or it could be pre-approval and this. It could be pre-approval and that. It can be a bunch of things, whatever. The agent has to understand, everything. When you buy in, your agent should sit down with you, go through your portfolio. Okay, let me see what it is that you guys have. All right, you guys have this amount in crypto. All right, you guys have Shiba coin. You guys have Bitcoin. You guys have these cars. You guys have, these stocks and so on and so forth. So, okay, you know what? What if all right, they only gave us 700,000. However, this is for 750. All right. What if we offer 700,000? Max out the entire pre-approval, right? What if we do we want to meet them at asking. What if we do 700,000, 25,000 in Bitcoin, 10,000 in Shiba coin, and the other 20,000 in the stocks that I have? Because I have a lot of Microsoft stock, or a lot of Apple stock, or a lot of Amazon stock. So what if we did that? Different ways of creative financing. That's also like how to package an attractive offer. Is pre-approval the highest that you can go when you're putting an offer? Like when you got pre-qualification, you got pre-approval, and then you have something else after that. A lot of buyers don't know that. A lot of agents don't know that. So we went through like everything. It lasted for a little bit over 2 hours each day. But I felt good with that because it gave people so much more knowledge. And again, I gave them a break, like, I had a summary, a little bit more than a summary of everything, because if I gave them everything, we'd be here till this day, And, like, I gave them a lot more information than other agents would because, I just have the belief that, if you have information that can be helpful and beneficial to others and you decide to not give it up, like voluntarily, like you just decide to not give it up, I feel you're selfish. I might lose some followers, some subscribers. I might lose people to be interested in working with me for that statement, but it's true. That's my point, right? And I'm entitled to feel that way. I feel like if you do that, you're selfish, and I feel like, if I have information that can change generations, why not give it out, right? Why not give it out? So that's why I'm here to help. This is what this channel is for. It's not the average real estate channel, right? I'm not sitting here giving you updates on the market all the time and, hey, look at this and that. I'm not doing that. Like, will I do that later on? Possibly, right? But I just really want to give you guys the real. I just really want to give you guys what's going on and how to overcome certain things, whether it's agents, buyers, sellers, anybody who watches this, just to help. In general, But the first time home buyer seminar is a success. We will be doing another one in the next 3 months. So we did it in January. So I guess April we'll be doing another one. And same location. And again, it goes from, this many people to this many people to this many people to this many people. Until we fill in stadiums, giving everybody the game, giving everybody the cheat code. I really want to see my culture, grow and build and stuff like that. I want to see us all grow and build, but I really want to see my culture grow and build, become more confident, become more financial literate. That sounded nasty. Financially literate, I guess that's the word. I don't know. Put in the comments if I said it wrong, how to say it correctly. But I really want that to happen because I really feel like if I would have known what I know now 20 years ago, and I'm 13, 14 years old, I would be so much further ahead. So my goal is not even just to change the people's lives in my current generation or above, in my circumference of generation, is helping them help the people under them. Because I'm doing that with my daughters, so I want to help them be able to help them, if that makes sense. Help them, and it keeps going. Each one teach one, You climb up, you pull up, right? Pause. It's kind of, I don't know if that was crazy enough, but whatever. Right, that's my mindset, right? So, you guys made it, if you guys made it this far, email me for the booklet, right? I will be making changes time and time again. So if you made it this far, email me at heychris@chrisnewtonrealestate.com. Visit the website, chrisnewtonrealestate.com, and let me know what you guys think. I'll, put the subject first time home buyer or FHA, and I'll be sending you guys the pamphlet, the booklet, and it's giving you guys so much game. I promise you never seen anything like it before, and I'm giving it for free. You feel me? Y'all better get it now before I say, you know what? This 16-page document, I'm adding 53 more pages to it, and I'm charging $7.99. Nah, I'm joking, but that's where I'm at right now with it. All right. Appreciate you guys. Comment, like, subscribe, hit the share. Put this on Facebook. Put this on IG. Help my page grow bigger. I need you guys to help me become a bigger star, or something like that, because I want to help represent my community. And listen, if I can do this, you guys can do this, and pull this person over here and so on and so forth. So like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what's going on. Let me know where I can improve. Let me know what you guys want to hear from me. If you guys do want market updates from me and my type of sauce, my type of swag, let me know. I'll do it. If you guys want to, I don't know, if you guys want to hear whatever, you want more video tours, I'll do it. Let me know in the comments below. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one. Stay blessed. Stay safe.